What's up, guys? It's a Smart Home Helper, and today I'm going to be going over the LinkLink eMotion Pro, and I'm going to go over some basic troubleshooting with you on this device. So what I'm going to be showing you how to do today is actually going to be the factory reset of this device. And the best time to factory reset a device is, let's say that you're having issues with syncing, right? Out of the box, sometimes it's good to hit that factory reset button on a device. Or, right, if you lose a Wi-Fi connection and you're having issues syncing it back up, that's another great time to utilize the factory reset. A couple of things to note too before your factory resetting is you want to make sure that it is fully charged, right? So you're going to want to make sure that it's charged. You know, you're seeing some lights, everything's good there. But to perform the factory reset, you're going to see a little black button right there. And what you're going to do is you're going to hold that for 6 seconds, and you'll see a red light flash here for the factory reset. So we'll go ahead and push that down, and I have it still charged in. And you'll count to 6 seconds. I'm probably at 3, 4, 5, 6, and we'll go ahead and let go. And you'll see the light turn red. There you go. It's purple right now because I have it charged in, but then you'll see that red light or purple light start to flash. And that's how you know it's been factory reset. So it's a pretty simple step there on the factory reset of the LinkLink. But if you guys have any questions or issues setting up, definitely let me know. I'm going to be creating a playlist on everything with this device, on how to set it up, how to sync it. I'm showing some troubleshooting now. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.